Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing our Boxycharm for May 2021. This is a $25 a month subscription, and in here we should have 5 full-size products. If you're new to my channel, I'm a cruelty-free YouTuber, so if at any time while I'm filming, if I don't know something's cruelty-free, I will be sure to have it displayed right here for you on the screen, as well as the value of the item. I'll add it all at the end and see if we're getting a good deal or not. Alrighty, let's just go ahead and open it up. Okay, so once you open the box up, it's going to have this little card right here which has the theme, which is flourish. It's got cute little flowers on it. The back side of the card is going to have everything we're getting. It'll have a little bit of information about the product as well as the value of the item, so I'll be sure to mention all of that to you. Let's just go ahead and start pulling stuff out. The first thing right on top I am seeing is from Tarte, which is cruelty-free. This is the Shape Tape Glow Wand. There's the packaging. And I don't know what this is. Oh, sorry if this is your first video of mine in this room. My dog back there really hates when beds are made, so she's going to destroy it right now. You all set? You done ruining it? I don't know why she does this. Okay. So yeah, if you hear rustling or any weird sounds back there, it's her. She really hates beds that are made nicely. Okay, anyways, back to the item I was talking about. So this is a Shape Tape Glow Wand. I don't know what that is. Mine's in the shade Aglow. I don't know what this is. So it's 4 ways to glow over Shape Tape Concealer alone for no makeup mixed with moisturizer or primer on high points of the face, collarbones, and décolletage. Okay, so I don't use concealer. It's not my thing. It doesn't do anything for me except for make me creasy no matter every which way I've applied it. So I just stopped wearing concealer. I just don't need that wrinkly stuff in my life. So I find that just not wearing concealer is the answer for me. I will wear it occasionally. I do use it to like cover a blemish or something like that, and for that it works fine. But like all this under my under eyes, I just don't do it. It's just not a good look for me personally. So, but this doesn't seem to be like actual concealer. So let me show you. This is kind of interesting. It's got like a beauty blender almost looking applicator on the tip, and it feels like a beauty blender. So I think what you do is you apply it and then you blend it out with that thing. I don't know how this colors. Let's go ahead and take a look. Oh, the color's not too bad. It is a little light. There it is. But I think it'll blend out decently. I don't know if you can tell there. It is kind of shimmery, so I don't know what the point of this is. I don't know why I'm smelling it. It doesn't smell like anything. Let me look at the card. Let's get some answers. So it says an instant eye lift in a tube, sheer liquid brighteners let your skin come through to deliver a natural lit from within youthful glow. Diamond Complex delivers a soft focused finish, includes removable sponge for an on-the-go blending. So that actually popped out of here. Oh, cute. It comes right out. That's interesting. So I don't know the point of this, really. I will try it out. Like I said, I don't wear concealer for my under eyes. But I'm curious to see like what... I'm going to try the 4 ways it says on the box here. Why would you put this over Shape Tape Concealer though? Like, ugh, that stuff is so thick. Mixed with moisturizer or primer on high points of the face. Maybe I'll try it on my collarbones. I don't know. I'll give it a try. I'll try something out. It's definitely interesting. I don't know if it's I don't know. I don't know what I think about it. I'm just very perplexed by the whole thing. The value on this is $27, which I think is what the price of the regular Shape Tape is, so not surprised about that. I don't know. If you like Shape Tape, that's great. It's just, I tried to like it, and I think I pretended to like it for a long time, but I just get creasy with it, so I don't know. Okay, moving right along. The next thing I'm going to pull out is from Tint, which I've never heard of this brand. This is the Smoky Eye Pencil in Forest. Here's the packaging, really cute. I don't know if I'm going to like this. It looks like it's going to be green. Ma'am. Are you done? Why don't you lay down? You can lay down. Okay. Yeah, so this is a green eye pencil, which I think is actually pretty nice for spring. I don't enjoy the color green, really, in general. It's just not a color I like, so I probably won't be using this, honestly. I don't think green eyeliner would look great on my eyes. I have blue eyes. I don't know. I mean, I guess wear whatever you want, honestly, but I just don't know how this would look on me. So I'm probably not going to use that. The value on that is 18 bucks. I don't know. I don't think I would pay that for an eyeliner. Maybe. I probably have paid that for an eyeliner. But I can't speak to whether that's a good price or not, but it seems a little bit overpriced for me. Alrighty, so the next thing I'm pulling out is from First Aid Beauty, which is cruelty-free. This is the Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. There's the packaging. I really like this brand a lot. It's almost like what I would call like the high-end version of like a CeraVe or a Cetaphil kind of brand. Like, it's, to me, very gentle on the skin. Everything I've tried, like no fragrances and things like that. So I'm curious to see what this feels like. That's sort of the consistency of it. It really looks just like a lotion, honestly. And it feels like a more watery lotion. It's not like a cream or anything. It feels a little bit sticky, so I can see why it would be like a primer per se, but it's not like super sticky. I don't know if that smells or if it's because I had the Shape Tape. I don't know. Maybe it has a slight scent, but either way, yeah, I'll give this a go. I typically use more moisturizing primers, so this is definitely something right up my alley. I will use that. The value on this is $30. Probably not something I would pay personally, but glad that I got it in my box. All right, the next thing I have is from Drybar, which is cruelty-free. This is the Hot Toddy Heat Protectant Mist. There's that. The packaging, really, really nice. It protects up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 232 degrees Celsius. I'll go ahead and give it a spray just to see what it smells like. I don't think it smells like anything. Oh, it does. If you ever use like Drybar dry shampoo, like it smells just like that. It's like almost like a musky sort of scent is what I would compare it to. I'll use it. It does feel really nice and like fine. Like it doesn't, you know, like the typical heat protectant spray I use is like wet. You know, your hair feels wet, but this doesn't really give that sort of effect. I will use this. I use heat protectant whenever I use heat on my hair, so we'll give that a go. Let's get a value on this. I know it's going to be expensive. This brand is pricey. So $27. I don't know. Maybe. I don't know, because that is definitely different from anything I've ever tried as far as heat protectant sprays go, so it might be worth it. I'll give it a try. All right, and we have one last thing. Let me go ahead and pull it out of the bubble wrap. Okay, so this is from KAB or KAB Cosmetics. Never heard of this brand. Know nothing about them. It does say it's cruelty-free on the back. Let's see what's in here. This is a day plus night. I assume it's an eyeshadow palette. So here it is. It's pretty. It's nothing special really to me though. Like just looking at it, I feel like every color in here I have for sure. Except for maybe that purple one in the corner called Halo. But I don't like purple, so that's not a problem for me. I'm not going to use this, at least right now. I may sit on it and maybe feel like I want to try it at a later date, but currently I don't feel drawn to that, so I'm probably just going to go ahead and put that into a giveaway. My giveaway boxes are getting so full, I need to do a giveaway stat, so make sure you subscribe if you want to get in on the giveaway. I really have like 3 priority mailboxes full of stuff to send out. So yeah, so there's that palette. The value on this is $52. Yeah, no. I've never heard of this brand. Has anybody heard of this brand? I could just be living under a rock. I mean, it's possible. But I don't think I would pay $52 for that, especially for a palette like that's been done before. Not that special, in my opinion. Okay, so let me real quick add everything up so we can get a value for you. Okay, so the value of this box is $154. Not a bad value for when you're only paying $25. However, I do think that palette is a little overpriced. It says new launch though. Let me look that up. Oh, for Pete's sake. Okay. Okay, so I just looked into this KAB Cosmetics thing, and it's owned by Kim Bierman from The Real Housewives, I think, of Atlanta, and her 2 daughters. So yeah, I can tell you without a doubt that is overpriced. That's like a celebrity pricing thing. Like, and she's not a celebrity. She's just whatever. I'll insert a picture of her right here in case you don't know who I'm talking about. But yeah, I think that's definitely overpriced. They're selling lip kits for $45, which is like a lipstick and a lip liner, I believe. How much was a Kylie lip kit? I think they went out of business, but let me see. So a Kylie lip kit was $29, and this KAB lip kit is $45, and I don't think this woman is nearly as well known as Kylie Jenner, just saying. Okay, anyways, enough talking about that. That's all I have for today's video. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up for me if you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, more dogs who has left me for the floor now that she's made a mess of the bed behind me. She's moved on to bigger and better things. But if you want to see more of her, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.